Hey everybody, it's September 8th, so this is 20 weeks that I've been growing in my hydroponic greenhouse. It looks like this now. The sky bridge is kind of taken over here. Tomatoes and cucumbers. There's a couple there, some there. This guy, I'm curious to see how he'll fare, where he goes from here. He's posted a while ago on Facebook. Got some tomatoes going up here. These little orange ones, they're so good. Sun Gold, I think they're called. Yeah, Sun Gold. Delicious. I'm not sure what happened, but it looked like someone might have tried to eat it. One of my serrano peppers. Hope that went well for whatever it was, or a rat or squirrel or who knows. More red peppers coming up. These are the cayenne. I dried off a bunch of these basket of fire ones. I got 3 of them here. These red ones are so delicious. Just dried them off 4 hours at 180 degrees. Because you don't want to burn them, you just want to dry them out. So those work pretty good. I'm going to use them in soups and stuff. I made a bunch more succulent things. Just using belt sander to take the top off there and a little sandpaper to smooth it out. Hey, and a little bonus feature for those that want to see how I did it. Take the tab off. You grab a Sneaky Weasel. Belt sander. There you go. And then I just hand sand it off. That's nice and smooth. Good for kids. And then you got a container for putting succulents and hot peppers and whatever else in. Or a drinking can if you need. Okay, see you later. And you got more succulents. These are all off this guy. It's crazy. More coming here. More here. And all these guys down here. Look at this guy going crazy. It's very cool. Well, the chives are getting really long, so I braided them the other night. Some good roots. And the celery's tasting really good. I've started just taking even the leaves. The stalks aren't too thick yet, but still looking good. Good roots on this, guys. Just twist them back in. Got some leeks going still. This thing hasn't really taken off. It's big, but I haven't eaten anything off it. Looks like somebody has though. That guy did nothing, but he's got a couple of little flowers now. More tomatoes coming here. More peppers. More peppers. These ones are really good. I'll probably make some hot sauce with these guys. And some of these guys once they ripen up. These are the hot ones that I got. Take a look at this. It's gonna be crazy hot. And there's these guys too. Yeah, see them? They're all coming. This is the plant I had with the Carolina Reapers, the Trinidad Scorpion, and the, I can never remember this, the Boot Jaluka Red. So that'll be hot sauce material. More pickling cucumbers coming up. So that's good. Like so that's, oh, it was funny, there's one way up here. Look at this guy. Funny place for a cucumber. I ran out of nutrients finally. Oh, this one I used 3, the Flora General Hydroponics Flora series. So that's the Flora Micro, the Flora Grow, and the Flora Bloom. So they're about $60 for the 3 containers full. And that's, I bought those last year and I haven't bought anything else this year, so it's, I need to spend another $60 to continue next week. But other than that, it was expensive to get everything going last year here, but I should be good for a few more years to come, I think. And I just need nutrients. But $60 for all this is well worth it to me, and as a hobby anyway. So it's, yeah, well worth it in my opinion. At least curly cues in. It's holding on. It's pretty cool. Lots of tomatoes coming. But yeah, this guy, I'm curious to see how that grows. See if he straightens out or stays curled. What else was I gonna tell you? I dried some of those, told you that. Yeah. Time to get into the hot stuff, I think. That's gonna be scary. So I'm pretty happy with these. And I'll probably take some seeds out of these so I can try doing these guys hydroponically next year. I'll definitely do these again, the basket of fire. I might not need 3 plants, but definitely 2 because they're really good. I want to do Swiss chard and arugula here, and celery, the chives, couple lettuces, maybe a kale again. Yeah, Swiss chard. There was one other one that was really good. Southern kind of leafy green. I forget the name now. Definitely do tomatoes and cucumbers again. The sun golds for sure if I can find them. Serranos I'll do again for sure. That's probably my favorite pepper. And yeah, I'll do some bigger peppers. I did some orange ones last year that were really good. These guys are good. So hydroponics does well with them. Yeah, everything tastes good with this Flora series. I'm pretty happy with it. Some people that they're on different forums and stuff make their own and do it for much cheaper, but I'm happy with that. Even though it's $60, it's I can't feed my family for $60 at a restaurant anymore, so it's not so bad. I mean, look at all the flowers coming here. I'm gonna have a ton more tomatoes still this year. I got another good cucumbers up here. Oh, I didn't even see that twisty guy. It's funny when you just find them. I like hiding. That little guy there. Yeah, okay, I'm gonna cut this off now before the pump turns on and scares me again. Alright, thanks for watching. If you're local, come and grab a succulent. Alright, cheers.